Hey guys, this is what is Redis. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to understand what is the meaning of this. So I made this table over here so we can understand better. So guys, Redis is a super fast tool that stores data in memory. So pretty much it is used to speed up application, and it pretty much store temporary data, and it helps application talk to each other. And why is it important? So guys, it makes the apps faster and more efficient, especially for things like user login, live updates, and real-time tracking. So guys, what to know about the Redis? So guys, Redis works in memory, so it is super quick. So it can save data to disk for backup, and it is great for like caching and messaging and ranking systems. And when it comes to the additional info, guys, Redis is easy to set up, and it works well with many applications, and it can handle a lot of data without slowing down. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and there you go. See ya.